All right, so I'm getting some of my nice fresh mix that I've made, that I've combined with the phosphorus and the lime and the humus and the peat moss and some of my existing soil. You can see it's a really nice fluffy mix that's going to help this perennial root really quickly. And I'm going to pour it in around the base of the plant. You want to be sure to get out all the air pockets that might be down around the plant by packing with your hands. I used to use my thumbs and fingertips to really get it wedged in there well. I'm going to keep adding more soil until I have all the roots covered, and I'm going to pack at the same time. I'm going to need to get just a little bit more. You can see that there's a little divot here, so I'm going to get a little bit more soil so that it's even with the grade of where it's already been planted. I'm just going to go around and make a nice base here. If you have anything that's kind of got a little bit ripped, just pull them off. But here's a plant that's looking pretty good. It still has the leaves on it that have been cut in half, and everything else has been trimmed back. And that's looking pretty level. I'm going to take a little bit more of the existing soil that I have left and just kind of top dress around so that it's really perfectly level. Sprinkle it around. And that looks pretty good to me.